Binom smartphone. It is a high-technology and stylish design. The case is made of aluminum and magnesium, which makes the phone very light and durable. We modified Android 8 operating system in a way that your data is stored only on a smartphone and not transferred. Binom is not just a smartphone. It is an effective and highly secure tool for your work. Smartphones purchased for use in the company are integrated into a single corporate network and provide secure data to the company. We will protect you from wiretapping and interception of your messages, malware, unauthorized access to your personal data. Platform Binom is equipped with internal services available only to smartphones owners. Binom TalkMate, mobile messenger with end-to-end data encryption. Confidential SIM card Binom. Exclusive stripped mail service, Binom Mail. Application for communicating within corporate network, Binom Radio. Encrypted cloud storage, Binom Cloud. Virtual bank, Binom Funds. Our customers are financial companies, law firms, government bodies, and everyone else who value privacy of personal and company data. Why do they choose us? Platform Binom is a safety and confidence that your conversations and correspondence will be protected from third party. Applications are simple and convenient, so there is no need to use any external resources. There is a professional support and access to latest developments in the field of data encryption.